Hi, welcome dear student to fifth video of chapter 9. Hope all of you are in a good health. Today I am going to discuss of creating and getting an email address. Previous class I explained about the email, what is an email, benefit of the advantages of email. Now let us discuss how to create email address. So some popular free web-based email websites are gmail.com, yahoo.com, hotmail.com. Now I'm going to show you how to create an email address. First of all, going to open the browser. If you have Google Chrome, Firefox, or open any browser. Just going to open the Firefox and enter here mail.google.com. Mail.google.com. If you see mail.google.com, just open the URL and wait. Just see here. Now click on the create. Here you will see the create new account. Use here. I'm just going to create here. If you have already if you already have a Gmail account, you can just enter your email or phone number here. Or if you want to create a new one, so create account. Just click over here, create account. Now can create option is here myself, for myself to manage your business. It's going to for myself. Now enter the information. You can see the screen here. Create your Google account to continue to Gmail. Enter here the first name. First name you enter. Enter your name and going to fill the information here. And you can enter the username. So now so now and also use write here your password. So must keep in mind when you are going to create the account must have at least 8-digit password. So you can see here use 8 or more characters with a mix of letters, numbers, and symbol. So just create password with a combination of capital letters, small letters, you know, digit, and special characters. Now you can see this is the password is a confirmed password. If you write down, if only you can go to the next step once you enter the password and confirm password similar. And you can also here see here the option show password. If you want to show, you just click over the show password, right? And after that you just need to click over the next button. Now click on the next button. So if you see here, if I have entered the wrong password, then you can see it. You just need to enter, you must enter the correct password, only then can must be. Now here you can see the phone number. This is the optional. We are now able to create my email account now. So see here my simply able to create. And after that, you just need to enter your phone number. This is the optional. Date of birth, you know, you can enter your date of birth, recovery email address. You must enter recovery email address. So that way, if you forgot your password, in that case you can recover your email address. So this is important only if you have already, if you forgot the password. In that case, you can recover your password. Okay. So now this is you can just write down the recovery. This is also optional, and you can see the phone number is optional. You can enter your date of birth here. You know, you can, and the year you can just but you can enter your gender, select your gender, and this way you can just click over the particular option. Just next. Once you click on the next button, you can see you are able to move to the next page, and here you can see more options. You just read the instruction. Combining data, you are in control. Just read the instructions here. All the instruction data we process when we use it, privacy and terms here. So to create a Google account, you will need to agree to the terms and services below, and the policy, privacy policy. When you create an email, data we process when you use Google. So just read this process, why we process it, combining data, and you are in a control just now. So click on the agree, I agree. Once you read everything fully, and now you can see you are simply able to create your Gmail account, right? And this is the first screen you able to when you able to wait, loading Gmail. Let's see, wait, just it is better to just write your email address, note down your email address, and password. Just remember your password. Never try to share your password. So as you can see here, the first screen uh, when we try to when create first create. I hope all of you are able to understand how to create a Gmail account. It's very simple, dear, and I will discuss the more in the next class. So now you can see here, check the here nhs.gmail. Successfully able to create. Okay. Now I'm just going to show you how we can, you logged in now in your account. Now I will show you how to log in and how to manage. Now you can see your account. You can use your file here picture, and you can just sign out from here. No, you just need to sign out. Click over there. Now you can sign out. And thanks for watching the video. Bye for now.